everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to activate call recording on iOS 18. To activate call recording on iOS 18, the first thing you'll need to know is that if you've recently updated to iOS 18 on your iOS device, then you will not be able to find the call recording feature on the iOS 18. If you'd like to get the call recording feature, then you will need to update to iOS 18.1. Now the iOS 18.1 is not released yet, but once it is, you will be able to enable the call recording feature whenever you are making a phone call. Once your iOS device is updated to 18.1, you will be able to see a little sound wave kind of an icon whenever you are on a phone call. All you need to do is to tap on the sound wave icon at the top left, and then you will be able to record your call. But to be able to do so, you will need to wait it out since the release is not yet done for your iOS 18.1. When it is available in the future, you can go ahead and access your call recording feature. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.